Numbers are important for our daily life and are fundamental to perform most of the tasks, whether it is for counting or exchanging phone numbers or telling your age and so on. Also, the way the numbers are spoken in German are totally different compared to the numbers spoken in English. For example, number 32 is pronounced as 2 and 30 in German. Similarly, 89. This number is pronounced as 9 and 80 in German. So this video gives you clear explanation about the numbers and how to pronounce them. The numbers in German are called die Zahlen. 0 is called as Null, 1 as Eins, 2 as Zwei, 3 as Drei, 4 as Vier, 5 as Fünf, 6 as Sechs, 7 as Sieben, 8 as Acht, 9 as Neun, 10 as Zehn. So let's repeat again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So friends, the pronunciation here are completely based on the pronunciation tips I have mentioned in the previous video. Please watch it if you're not comfortable with the pronunciations here. Now moving on, 11 is called as elf, 12 as 12, 13 as 13, 14 as 14, 15 as 15, 16 as 16, 17 as 17, 18 as 18, 19 as 19, 20 as 20. Let's repeat it. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So friends, you need to take care that you pronounce Z as S. It is not dreizehn, but dreizehn. Remember, Z should be pronounced as S. So with this tip, I would like to conclude the video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Schönen Tag noch. Tschüss, Leute.